Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Phrasal Verbs. I'm Melissa Coakley. Phrasal verbs are when a verb is followed by a preposition or two, and the prepositions change the meaning of the original verb. For example, you know the verb go. Go on means to continue. In English, there are thousands of phrasal verbs, and everyone loves them. No, I'm joking. Most people find them a little bit difficult to remember because there are so many, and sometimes there aren't a lot of clues in the context to help you. But here we'll talk about two ways that will make it a little bit easier to learn all those phrasal verbs and to remember them. The first thing that you can do to make it a little bit easier to learn all these verbs is to do it little by little. Everyone has had the experience of the night before a test trying to learn lots and lots of vocabulary. But even if the test goes well, maybe 1 or 2 weeks later, you can't remember what those words mean. It's a little bit like trying to lose 20 kilos in 1 week. It's not very realistic and it's not sustainable. So the best thing to do is to learn them one at a time in a way that you'll remember. That's why during this series, we'll generally only talk about 1 or maybe 2 phrasal verbs per video. The other thing you can do to learn these verbs is to use them. When you do learn new vocabulary, it's important to use it right away so that you don't forget. We'll help you with that too by asking some questions at the end that you can answer with your language partner, in language class, or in the comments below. Today's phrasal verb is to run out, or if you're using it with an object, to run out of something. It means to use something until there's none left. For example, the example that everyone is talking about these days is in the supermarket, they have been running out of toilet paper a lot recently. In my house, we ran out of onions yesterday, and I had to cook spaghetti with extra garlic instead. It wasn't perfect, but better than nothing. You can run out of a lot of things, not just physical things. You can also run out of patience. You can run out of luck. That's when things start to go not very well. You can run out of many things. Okay, now it's time to use it or lose it. Tell us what you do when you run out of things. Do you do strange substitutions like I did? If you run out of onions, do you substitute garlic? Or do you have some genius hacks for when you run out of things? Let us know. The other question I have for you is there something that you will never, ever, ever run out of? In my house, I'm pretty sure that we'll never run out of cheese. We normally have at least 3 or 4 different kinds of cheese in the refrigerator, sometimes more. So we'll never run out of cheese. What about you? Tell us in the comments below. You can also sign up to our newsletter to get more ideas for how to practice phrasal verbs at www.5mpv.com. That's 5-Minute Phrasal Verbs, 5mpv.com. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.